Now, Igbo people came up with another tactic, saying that Ghana was revealed to them. Hey, long time ago, like many years ago. That's why they are here and they want to build their kingdom. Or should I say, they are here dragging Ghana with Ghanaians. Okay. Una they drag for Nigeria, they go well for una. Now you pass Cotonou, Benin Republic, you pass Togo, you can't come Ghana, you think say they go give you chance. It be like say you are on your way to Ivory Coast, so because they will not let that happen in Ghana. You are on your way to Ivory Coast, and in Ivory Coast they will deal with you accordingly. Hey God, though. You go roam. You've not started yet. You go roam all through West Africa. From there, you go fly. You go use normal flight too. You go use spiritual flight. I don't even know what to say. You go fly. Start from Eastern Africa or East Africa? What did they even say? East Africa, right? Una no go know that one, guys. Let me allow you watch this video. I no go watch on alone. Ghanaians, you and I know say una no go allow this snap. Even though your government say, you understand? We dare your back 100%. We, the Nigerians, don't support all of this. We dare your back, my brothers, my sisters.
If Chukwudi bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, we say go ahead. You are not doing it in Nigeria, you are doing it here. So we've given you the passage. Come and celebrate it. All over the regional capitals. You dare celebrate it, it will slight you out. And how it's going to be done, don't joke. The snipers, many snipers have got it. They are all storming down before 25th. So you go ahead. I said what? Men, snipers are already guarded. So if you're a man enough, a Nigerian Igbo man, who in your belief, you fought Biafran war and you are so crafty enough, you've brought so many ammunitions, whatever it is, we say go ahead, no problem. We're only asking you, go ahead with that celebration. On the 25th of what? Of September, go ahead. Yeah. A lot of snipers are ready. They're already in town. You are surrounded, but you don't know. Including those useless, good for nothing Nigerian boys back home and here who are making a noise. Continue. Okay? Continue. We are ready. If for nothing at all, I would say to you that you don't have to try the patience of Ghana.
See, we are not done with this one. Another one will come. These people say they no want to make you celebrate the Yam Festival. Waiting day this Yam Festival where you want to celebrate. Oga, please tell me, waiting day that Yam Festival. They say they no want. They no want. You've been doing it for a long time. Haven't you achieved what you want to achieve already by doing the Yam Festival? Haven't you? I didn't mean you've not even done it once, twice, 3 times in Ghana, like the Yam celebration, Yam Festival celebration. I didn't mean you've not done it. Then we'll be like, okay, let them just allow him to do once now, but you've done it countless times. So what will be your problem? They say they don't want. They don't want. Oh, is it rituals? If it's rituals, please let us know so we can understand that our rituals. If you don't do it, you go die. Let us know now. Wait. What's the meaning of this? You're even hiding and giving out invitations and all. Hey, God, oh, you guys are causing problems in your country, Nigeria. You are causing problems when you go to other people's states in Nigeria. You think people do not know the fight, or should I say the banter going between you and the Yorubas in Lagos? Yeah, you think people do not know? You want to come and repeat this same thing in Ghana? It's so unfortunate that you're going to lose. Of course, you're going to lose because it's not your country. You can be able to dance all the dance. You can be able to use the money and buy whatever you want to buy in Nigeria. But this is Ghana. Even if the government accepts it, the youth are not going to accept. So, I don't know how you're going to do about it now. There's a video I want us to check out, guys. Let's go through it together. And at the end of it, I have something to tell you. Let's watch and I'll be right back.
As the flag was hoisting in the name of what? The Republic. That today you and I are living and living. So shall you and I must get it done. And it must be done. It must be done now. Tonight, we are picking up intelligence report suggesting that Chukwudi Jude, the self-styled king of the Igbos in Ghana, is secretly distributing flyers. The move signals that his outfit is bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, despite the widespread concerns we have already highlighted and cause for him to back down. The Ayatin is Opeso yeden or ya send a young festival no obe celebrate even though yakase tias unyai. Intelligence are epic. We've plotted a lot of intelligence even in his household. I don't want to speak much. Now, Omadrini said they will celebrate the Yam Festival at all costs. When say the Nipate, we never Ghana and Pedinfunu Adia Eba. Tonight on the Frontline show, we put it plainly to this Nigerian self-styled creature. Let it be known that we now accept what? We now what? Accept the challenge. It has become increasingly clear to us that his very presence in Ghana was never what? Was never by accident. No. With a deliberate purpose to disrupt our what? Ghana's political process. And as the allegations suggest, to attempt nothing less than what? A takeover of this what? Country. Dianimni say, eba oba hano, when medro ha say, a accident even at nibepi ha debi, a boapayo, a butaye, a susuye, and a adribonia, a can on any dom who say, one moba abefa Ghana no, ne kwabia mbefa swap, wombenya Ghana, no media ha, ayom nice so as per one of their stupid book tells that what? Ghana was revealed to them in some ancient days or whatever. Animals, you cannot describe them, whichever species within the kingdom of the animals era they come from. I don't know. That Ghana was revealed to them. The members of the country say, "One maha accident to one de boapa you be no buy." But you know what? We cannot forgive where we come from. Our leadership in this country, we cannot forgive our leaders. Ghanaians, listen to me one more time. We cannot forgive our leaders right from the Fourth Republic until now. But something is in the making at these leaders. Wait a minute. Helicopter crash near Moon, you'll be wiped off on the surface of this very planet called Ghana. As far as the spirit of this nation liveth. Tonight here on the Frontline show. Tonight on the Frontline show, right? And on behalf of Ghanaians, both home and abroad, across the world, we issue a final caution and a warning to the self-styled crook Chukwudi Jude and his gang of accomplices back in Nigeria. If they dare step out, if they dare step out to stage their so-called New Year Yam Festival in Ghana, then let us see what happens. The Ayaka say, "Woman mema enough, woman eshwa mienu." Okay, so woman mema, and woman shwa. Say the Akufo de kind, ye na mienu. Woman shwa. I will tell you etio munemu. Yes, so woman bontain no woman Yam Festival. Ye ready BC. Dia yesimen kanjire mu ano. Ye go so kasaba. We are warning ahead of this impending festival. If indeed he wants to try the patience of Ghanaians, we assure him he will be the first casualty on Ghanaian soil, with his blood spilled on our land, and his remains will be thrown into the crocodile pool, and his body will not be left for his family to give him a decent burial. We want to sound this terrible warning to him and his cohorts back in Nigeria who are bent on causing unwarranted disturbances for Ghanaians to immediately back off, right? And what? Leave Ghana quickly. We will not dance around this warning if Igbos of Nigeria think, and can figure this out. May I say this to you? The Ayaka is so when we are member enough, no, we say 25th of what? September. One be celebrating the New Year Yam Festival. Yes, they should go ahead. They should go and celebrate it. They say, yeah, the bear no, you be a kakra no. Yeah. On one kasa will be wasted. The soil, this soil called Ghana. Na ni moja begu asasi we so. Ni area ni body susu de ninsan, ni family ninsan kind of body. Let any Nigerian man do your worst in your corridors. That's what I said to you. And that's the communication coming from the high powered. So if Chukwudi bent on celebrating the Yam Festival, we say go ahead. You are not doing it in Nigeria, you are doing it here. So we've given you the passage. Come and celebrate it. All over the regional capitals. You dare celebrate it, it will slight you out. And how it's going to be done, don't joke. The snipers, many snipers have gathered. They are all storming down before 25th. So you go ahead. I said what? Men, snipers are already guarded. Not national security. As for national security, they are dancing and whining with this good for nothing Babylonian God. And we don't care. But we take care of this country, not national security. But we have a statement for national security that in view of the above, we are equally requesting the national security of the state to quickly restrain this goddamn animal. Restrain him from this gross insolence and impudence act. This creature must be made to back off before it becomes too little too late for him and his what? Crooks of Igbos. The event catch national security for no. Say, Munche, na mube prevent papa no, mube restraining no. Mana den, ne Yam Festival no. Obe abort no. Now, how many years has he been here? In all those times, we've seen a lot of videos. This guy is holding Yam Festival, but we say no. An end to your Yam Festival is nigh. Cut it off, including this year's one. So, if you're a man enough, a Nigerian Igbo man, who in your belief you fought Biafran war and you are so crafty enough, you've brought so many ammunitions, whatever it is, we say go ahead, no problem. We are only asking you, go ahead with that celebration on the 25th of what? Of September. Go ahead. Yeah. A lot of snipers are ready. They are already in town. You are surrounded, but you don't know. Including those useless, good for nothing Nigerian boys back home and here who are making noise. Continue. Okay, continue. We are ready. If for nothing at all, I would say to you that you don't have to try the patience of Ghana. How many years you've stayed here in Ghana? I'm not quite sure that this bubbling inertia is beginning to sound to you like it's a friendly one. No, absolutely unfriendly and untenable. But you are going far to provoke the animal in Ghanaians.
But guys, what I want to understand about this Igbo king wahala, Oga, why Ghanaians say they don't want? Why are you bringing more troubles and problems to yourself now? They say they don't want. Why can't you just listen? Why? This is something simple. Must you celebrate Yam Festival? Must you celebrate Yam Festival, Oga? They say they don't want. Not do now. Not be your country, but this. Even if you marry a Ghanaian, does that mean you are a Ghanaian? No, you are not a Ghanaian. Even with the Ghana card, they can send you back to Nigeria. Oh, they can send you back to Nigeria. You are a Nigerian. So I don't know why you don't want to listen to them. You know, the government don't matter, oh, because they shuffle every time. NDC today, APC today, blah, 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 tomorrow, CCC next tomorrow. But the youth remain the same. They are the same people. So what do you expect? They say they don't want. They can never support you. They don't want. They don't want. What is happening? Why are you putting us in danger? Why? If not because you have wicked heart. You are a wicked person. If not, why don't you want to back off? They have their reason why they said no to it. Oh God, waiting they happen. Look at waiting. You're disgracing yourself more and more. Because this is how we will keep bringing you out. Eh? Or is it kind of some ritual something that if you don't celebrate the Yam Festival, maybe you go die or something? Please let us know. Let us know. But come to think of it, can't you go back to Nigeria and celebrate? You know, you guys should go back. I mean, when I get money, take flight, go back to Nigeria, come together, the Igbos, go and celebrate in Nigeria now. Must it be done here in Ghana? Celebration now. When I get land in Igbo land, when I get land now, go and celebrate it in Nigeria. Nobody is stopping you from celebrating New Yam Festival, but don't do it for Ghana. Go back to Nigeria and do it. What's be your problem, Oga? I beg. I even thank God now they are putting, now they point finger at directly. So make you know, Oga. Make I even, Oga. Make I even do it like this well. For you. Now what for you? So guys, let me know what you think about this very video in the comment section. Don't want to like, subscribe to the channel, share this video to as many as out there. I believe they'll watch and learn from it. This Igbo king. This self-acclaimed Igbo king. You stubborn, no? You stubborn. I never see person who is stubborn like you. You get coconut head. I beg, Fioko.